Cheesy bean dip. Simple and easy. Alright, 2 cans of this. I use cans because cans can be recycled, bags can't. Alright, these are non-GMO organic pinto beans. There's actually 2 cans in there. There's a vegan Parmesan cheese, recyclable number 1s, some sea salt, some black pepper, organic and non-GMO stuff, and some olive oil. And then the 2 cans, and then 1 pepper about this size. These are little mini red bell peppers. 1 about that size. You can add the cheese. This is from drivemarket.com. You can add the cheese to whatever taste you like. And you could add more pepper to it if you like as well. I leave it so there's some of the pepper still, like not totally beat down, that it's still there, that you can see. And I may use a little bit more now. I kind of like it right now, but I might use about maybe another half of this. Whatever you like to taste. It's that easy. Cheesy bean dip. So instead of just like say a bean dip, and you could put whatever else you want in it. I'm not adding any spice. You could make this like a Mexican style, an Italian style, Mediterranean style, whatever you want. You can do like sage, you can do basil, parsley, whatever you want. I'm leaving mine like this. And then when I do my individual meal or whatever, then I might add some different spices to it like that. You know what I mean? So that's it. Cheesy bean dip. All right, good for you. Easy, simple. Just let it chill for a little bit, and that's it. All right, lots of love to you. Bye bye.